Past procurement history related to this part is just one of several additional databases that you can use to research this part. Other related databases include Technical Characteristics, Contracting Technical Data File, CTDF, Major Organizational Entity, MOE, Interchangeable and Substitutable Data, I&S, and the Government Solicitations Database. For each item displayed in the Details Summary page, you are also presented with a list of additional data sources where the item is found. These data sources are presented as hyperlinks. Many of these data sources are also searchable, available from the Database drop-down menu. Let's take a closer look at several of these related data sources. The Procurement History Database displays the awarded contracts associated with this part. Among the data presented, you'll find the contract date and number, quantity purchased, as well as the actual purchase price for the part. You'll notice that the procurement history displays within the Detail Summary page, which contains the FLIS header data. As a result, you are always able to maintain reference to the specific item you are researching. The same is true of the Technical Characteristics and other related databases. Technical Characteristics provides you with a text-based description of the specifications for this part. One particularly useful feature is the availability of line drawings. In this case, the drawing details points of measurement relating to the specifications for this part. Note the measurement labeled ADAV. When you return to the Technical Characteristics screen, you will find that the ADAV measurement is defined as the overall diameter of the part, which measures 0.969 inches maximum. Next is the Contract Technical Data File, Product Item Description, or the CTDF, PID, and PSDT link. This link accesses a detailed product description for the part that can easily be copied and pasted directly into other documents, such as a requisition or quote. Links to related IHS specifications, drawings, and standards are also presented here. Additionally, Haystack can also report what specific assemblies make use of this part. One such assembly is a radio set. Clicking the NIN for this assembly presents a new Details Summary page focused on the radio set assembly as a whole. Notice that the other related databases have updated, providing linked access to another resource, the Parts List. Click the Parts List link to return a list of parts used in this radio set assembly, 275 parts to be precise. The Parts List is basically a bill of materials for this assembly. Note that each part is individually linked to the NIN listed. If you scroll through the list, you'll eventually find the electrical connector part we started with. Do you recognize this screen? Let's continue looking at some more data links. The Capability and Inventory listing shows vendors with the part in stock or having the potential to supply this part. The table indicates the part condition, number available, and the date this information was last updated. Haystack also provides the added functionality of an RFQ generator, generating and managing multiple requests for quotes requiring minimal data entry. Use the NIN FLIS Images link to display line drawings for this part. Again, you can click on the image for a closer look. Next, click the Canceled NS Ends link to display a list of historical stock numbers that are no longer supported and have been replaced by the stock number indicated in the FLIS header.